Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check out packages. In order to understand packages, firstly we will add in a new project in our Eclipse IDE. This would be a Java project and the name would be packages. Let's click on finish. Alright, so as soon as we add this project, what happens in the background? Let's check the property of the project, and in here in this location a new folder would be created. Let me copy this location and let me navigate to this location. Alright, so here is the location, and this creates some folders, and these are nothing but the skeleton for our project. In this project we also have this src folder where actually your Java files would be placed, and that's it for now. Let's minimize this. Let's click on OK. Now friends, let's add in a new package in our project. So I will highlight this src folder, navigate to new and add in a new package. The name of the package could be like org.studyeasy. Now whenever we create the package, the convention is that we can create sub packages as well. So in here org is a package, and inside org we have a yet another package by the name of studyeasy, and in order to connect these packages, or in order to give the path for the packages, we make use of dots. Alright, so now we have this package, and let's navigate to the folder where we have this project, and here is the folder. Now whenever you would like to see where your project files are, the answer is inside your workspace folder. So this is my workspace folder where we have like a huge number of projects, and if we check our packages folder, then here is our current project on which we are working on. Now if we check the src folder, in here we have the org folder, which is nothing but a package, and if we navigate inside, then we have the folder by the name of studyeasy, which is yet another folder. Alright, so now we can like do some other stuffs as well. I can navigate to new and add in a new class, right? So let me do that, and the name of the class could be like app, and everything looks good. Let's click on finish. Now as soon as we create this class, what happens? If we check this, then inside this folder studyeasy a new file is created, and this file is nothing but the Java file on which we are working. We can also view this using Notepad++, and here is the content of the file. Alright, so let me minimize this. Now friends, there might be a question in your mind that why we require packages. The answer is pretty simple. For better organization and in order to reduce the naming conflicts. Now for example, we have a inbuilt class by the name of list data handler. Now if we check the suggestions, then there are 3 classes which are by default available to us by the same name. Now how it is possible that we have multiple classes with same name? And the answer is packages. The packages for these classes are different, and by taking help of these packages, Java can identify that which class needs to be used. For example, we make use of this first class from the suggestion. So in here we will import the required path, and using that path and using the name of the class, we would be able to identify the exact class which we would be using in our class. So this is the key, how we can like remove the conflict of names, and we can have same name for multiple classes. So that's one thing. Now moving forward, we would be creating classes with same name in our own project. Let us check that. Alright, so let us get rid of these 2 lines from here. Alright, now friends, let me show you studyeasy.org. So here is our website where we have multiple things, right? So we have courses hosted in our own website, then there are blog posts as well. So if we check this website, then there are 2 platforms simultaneously working in here. For example, if we navigate to courses, then this will open up this page where we can view and enroll for these courses. For example, if I click on this, we can enroll, and this is altogether different platform where we are handling all of these stuff, where we have the player, where we have student enrollment data, and where a student can, for example, take our courses. Apart from that, we also have a blog post section where we post blogs whenever it is required. Now, for example, there are Java related articles, there are Spring related articles. Here are a couple of Springs related article, and we can like click on any of the article and it will show up the whole and soul article in detail where there are multiple stuffs, right? So these are good stuff, but overall, if we imagine there are simultaneously two layers in our website where we are dealing with video based content and text based content. Now in these kind of complex application, definitely there could be classes with same name, right? So we will try to reproduce the same scenario in our application. Now imagine this is yet a small website, but imagine a huge application where definitely there could be scenarios where the naming convention will play a very important role and there could be elements with same name. So packages plays a very important role. Now let us add couple of packages. These could be like org.studyeasy.blog. So blog post related functionality would be implemented inside this package. Then we would be adding yet another package. Package could be like org.studyeasy.platform, where we will host our courses maybe. Let's click on finish. And now if I show you the property of this project and let's navigate to the location where we have this project, then here are the folders. If we navigate to src folder, then here we have org, then we have StudyEasy, and inside StudyEasy we have multiple files and folder. So app is in our base package, which is org.studyeasy. Then we also have this folder blog and platform. Now what exactly is a package? Package is nothing but folder, and packages or the path of packages are the architecture and organization of folders, nothing else. So all the logic which are related to blogging could be kept inside blog. All the classes related to platform could be stored inside platform. So pretty simple. Let's close this. Now moving forward, let us add in a new class inside our package org.studyeasy.blog. Now there is a small little point that if the package is empty, then it would be represented by this icon which is white, right? And the packages where we have the classes would be symbolized with the icon which is brown. Alright, so let's highlight org.studyeasy.blog and navigate to new, and let's add in a new class. The name of the class could be like Java. Alright, and we would be adding a new method. This would be a public method. This will return void, and the name of the class would be, for example, used for, and we will print a small little message. The message could be like used for example, blogging. So this is cool. And then we would be adding a yet another class, and this class would be inside our org.studyeasy.platform package, and the name would be again Java. Let's click on finish, and note that there is no issue till now. We are absolutely okay. Alright, and we would be adding a yet another method. This would be a public method. Return type would be void, and we will give the same name, and there should not be any issue, which is used for, and we will print a message, and the message would be used for platform, right? So we will simply type in platform. Alright, so this looks good. Alright, now navigating to app.java, let us try to make use of these classes which shares the name, right? And moreover, we will like try to understand how we can access these same name classes. So we will type in Java, for example, blog equals new Java. Now here, if we hover upon this, it will give us two suggestions. The import could be from org.studyeasy.blog and org.studyeasy.platform. So we can import from both of these packages, right? So we need to choose one. We will choose the first option, and our issue is vanished. And using this object, we can call in the method which is used for. Let me execute the program, and here is the output, which is perfect. So this is how we can access classes with same name, Now there are a couple of more interesting things which we need to discuss, but I suppose the video is too long now, so we will cut this video into two and I will continue from the next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.